Ops, wait lang. Huwag ka muna mag-scroll at syempre, magbibigay muna tayo ng ating word of the day at sagutin natin itong katanungan na to. Ang sabi dito, which of the following choices below is considered as the mother of all drugs? So, alin daw sa baba sa ating pagpipilian yung tinatawag nating mother of all drugs? So, actually, pag hindi mo na kuha or hindi mo tapusing basahin to, baka masagot natin dyan is Ada Jokes Margaret, no? So, actually, si Ada Jokes Margaret natin, that is considered the mother of all criminals. Pero ang tanong kasi dito is mother of all drugs. So, ibig sabihin, ikis na natin yung mismong letter D dyan. Kasi nga, drugs man yung tinatanong. So, ibig sabihin, yung natitira natin dyan, that is called alcohol, shabu, tsaka opium. Okay? Kasi nga, si Ada Jokes Margaret natin is the mother of all criminals. In addition lang, bakit ba siya tinatawag nating mother of all criminals? It's because kasi class, according sa pag-aaral ni Richard Dogdally, na kung saan sa Ada Jokes family, kumbaga na-studyhan niya na which is 1,000 of the descendant pala ni Ada Jokes. Pag sinabi nating descendant class, ito yung mga kanyang mga kamag-anak. Kumbaga 1,000 of her descendants is naging criminals, kaya nga naging mother siya, no? Ang iba doon prostitute, ang iba nakapag-commit ng mga krimen at is considered naging mother of all criminal siya. Okay, now balik tayo sa pagpipilian class. Sino ba dito yung tinatawag or ano ba dito, anong drugs ba yung tinatawag nating mother of all drugs, na kung saan tinatawag din natin yung queen of all drugs, no? Actually, napakadali lang nito, lalong-lalo na pag talagang focus ka sa pag-study mo. Tandaan natin class, yung alcohol natin, it is the king of all drugs, okay? Ang alcohol natin is the king of all drugs and considered po siya as the most abused drugs in the world, okay? Yan yung pinaka most abused drugs in the world, si alcohol, as well as it is considered as the king of all drugs, okay? Tandaan natin class, yung alcohol kasi is napaka-wide niya. Kaya naging most abused drug siya in the world, and it is under the depressant, okay? Yung ating alcohol is depressant yan. So, ibig sabihin, belong siya sa ating mga downers, no? And syempre, class, yung ating namang shabu, that is an stimulant. So, opposite yan ni alcohol. Kasi si alcohol, nakakapag-relax ng katawan. Pero itong si shabu naman, nakapag-excite or nakapagbigay ng energy, stimulants yan. So, ibig sabihin, uppers. Si shabu naman, class, ay tinatawag natin yung most abused drugs in the Philippines. So, ulitin ko ha, ang most abused drugs in the world, that is alcohol. Pero pag most abused drugs in the Philippines, that is called shabu. Okay? Huwag natin kakalimutan yan. And syempre class, walang ibang sagot natin yung ating mother of all drugs, the queen of all drugs is walang iba kundi yung ating opium poppy. Yeah, that is considered the queen of all drugs as well as the mother of all drugs, na kung saan depressant din yan class ha. Tandaan natin, depressant din yan, na kung saan galing yan sa salitang papaver somniferum. Pag sinabi natin papaver, it means opium poppy, somniferum to dream or to sleep naman yan. Okay? And syempre, may mga in-extract na drugs galing sa opium. Nandoon yung tinatawag nating heroin, nandoon yung morphine, nandoon yung ating tinatawag na codeine. Pag sinasabi nating class na heroin, that is the most powerful, the most strongest drugs na galing kay opium. Pero pag morphine naman, that is considered the most common drugs extracted to opium. Okay? Pero pag tinatawag natin codeine, the most weakest kasi cough reliever lang siya. Pero yung most strongest, most powerful is the heroin. And that is considered in-extract din siya galing sa ating opium. That is called mga opium derivative natin. We have the heroin, the morphine, tsaka the codeine. Okay? So, yun. So, the correct answer natin dyan, class, walang iba kundi yung opium natin. And syempre, in addition din, yung ating alcohol ay may dalawang klase tayo, the ethyl tsaka methyl. Okay, pag tinatanong sa atin, anong klase ng alcohol yung ginagamit natin sa ating mga drinking beverages, sagot natin dyan class is the ethyl alcohol. Okay, kasi yung methyl alcohol natin is very poisonous yan. Actually, yung ethyl poisonous din siya kapag maraming amount na or quantities. Pero yan yung ginagamit natin sa mga drinking beverages is the ethyl alcohol. Ang methyl alcohol hindi yan ginagamit sa mga drinking beverages is because very poisonous. So kung malilito tayo dyan, ano ba yung pinaka nakakamatay dyan? Tandaan na natin class is the methyl. Matay. Methyl alcohol. Okay? So sana nakatulong sa inyo na syempre ito pa yung lingkod, your Mr. of the Day, Emmanuel the Master Schumann, Bilay Sir Bracalo sa CBRC National Tour and a registered criminologist, nagsasabi sa inyo na para pumasa sa board examination, kailangan natin ang baso siya at tsamba. Baso siya, basa, sulatan, share, sabi ng tsamba, tiyaga, sipag at manalangin bawat araw. Thank you so much. God bless you all.